Today I'm going to make dahi balli. So dahi means yogurt. You can use commercial yogurt, but I have this organic yogurt from fresh buffalo milk to yogurt. And this one I make this one homemade. There is also available of this one, but here in Rawlakot there is no available. So I make my own version. I make homemade and basin, what you call it, basin bondi or polka recipe, and this is same pakora, but there is no potatoes. So I mix only basin here and little pinch of salt, pinch of chili powder and water. Then I fry this one. So now today I'm going to mix all these ingredients: onions, cucumbers, potatoes. This one I removed from uh, yesterday. I cooked vegetable, so I mix together in vegetable. So I remove this one and then I cut it, and coriander leaves, and then salt and chili powder. So this one I will not put all this one. So I make half. So this is enough because you can eat this one also very tasty. Now we have to make all these ingredients here. Mix all. Yeah. And then this salt, chili powder, and this one all mixed together here. Cucumbers, cubes of cucumbers, onions, red onions, coriander leaves, and potatoes. You can add also tomatoes, cubes of tomatoes, but no need to mix it. Now we have to mix all this one. So you have to mix nice. So they call this one dahi bali. And this one is you can prepare, you can cook this one if somebody guest, or this is available during Ramadan, Eid, or any occasion. And also marriage, you can, this one also, they are preparing also this one in marriage. So now we'll taste if the salt is okay. Now we'll have to taste. We'll put her taste here. Mm. Mm. Tasty. So ito na mix ko na lahat itong mga ingredients. So maglagay tayo dito sa bowl para tikman natin. Pero I'm sure masarap kasi tinikman ko na eh. Yan. Yan. Kain tayo ng dahi bali. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap. Parang chana chat. Yung chana chat merong merong chickpeas. Pero ito wala eh. Kasi ito ibang iba naman ito. Ito yung bali pinaka main ingredients niya. Yogurt at saka ito yung basin bondi. Sarap. ito na lang yung natira. Gusto din ni Fahad, sila kay hindi masyado, tinikman niya lang. Pero ako gustong gusto ko. Tapos si Fatma, sabi niya itira ko daw ito sa kanya. Ay Fatma ito, kung ayaw niya, di kainin ko lahat. Kasi masarap talaga. Kaya, pag may pag may magbigay uli na ng fresh buffalo milk o kaya cow's milk, magtabi ako uli ng gawin kong organic yogurt para gagawa ako uli. And then maggawa ako ulit ng yung yung basin bondi para makagawa ako ulit. Yan, masarap talaga siya, masarap. Similar ito sa sa chana chat. Kaya lang yung chana chat wala siyang basin bondi ba, yung parang pulque recipe. Pero ito lang yogurt tapos may may basin bondi, yung pulque recipe.